Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to this special episode where I am going to talk about the prestigious conference in Dubai, Options Conclave 2.0. So this conference is being held at Ritz-Carlton, DIFC, Dubai. Dates September 28, 29, 30. The first thing is that, I put a joke in Twitter. Nowadays, nobody go and rob the bank because going by the screenshots of the people in Twitter and other social media, they are making more money than the robbers. And I can tell you, most of those screenshots are fake screenshots. I remember somebody told me one particular person put profits in the last 1 month, you plus together all the profit, that works out to be 30 crore. And a person making 30 crore per month, what should be their lifestyle? So let us not go into that. So I wanted to introduce a genuine speakers who are real traders, but not trading with some small capital and people trading with some big capital. A strategy that a person should follow should be scalable to 10 crore, 50 crore, 100 crore, right? So people say, sir, why don't you buy option? If I have 10,000, 20,000, I can buy option. But if I have 100 crore, can I buy option? I was searching for good traders, and even openly I gave an offer in YouTube also. If you think that you have a good system that is scalable to 100 crore, you can contact us. And finally, I zeroed in on few people, and surprisingly, many of them are from my mentees group. And some of them are even doing much better than me when it comes to trading. And each one of them is specialized in different strategies. I will introduce those speakers later to you one by one. I think I've already introduced two speakers. One is Sharath, other one is Mr. Srikanth. This conference is going to be held for 3 days. All the 3 days there will be some live trading. We will take some positions today, end of the day how it has performed, the next day how it has performed. We do some intraday trade. We do some trades called STBT. We sell today, buy tomorrow, and we do both Indian markets as well as US markets. So you will see in live how we trade. We are not only just coming to conference and just to talk. Okay, we are real traders. All the speakers in the conference are real traders. So that's one thing. So there will be some keynote speaker who will be inaugurating the function. Then there will be many speakers talking on various strategies, and we will also discuss some intraday strategies, technical analysis. We also talk about positional technical analysis. Then if that strategies goes wrong and how you come out by firefighting and those things. And then what are the advantages of trading in US markets? What are the advantages of trading in crypto market? And how to trade in US markets and crypto markets without paying any tax, So it's going to be very, very interesting 3-day event. The event will be sponsored by a hedge fund company based out of Dubai called Altus Fund Management Company. And we are also working on bringing in more sponsors to the event. This event is going to be a very, very prestigious event. People were asking me, sir, the fees you are charging is about 1 lakh plus GST or 1 lakh plus VAT if it is paid in Dubai. I said, don't you think it is more expensive? And I can tell you, if you attend the program, you will know how cheap it is. And the kind of strategies that we teach, in just 1 day, 2 day, you can make this kind of profit from US markets. And people can always tell me, sir, if you have so many strategies, why you are not teaching all those things in normal workshops that you are doing in India? But Indian markets, you can't make that kind of profit, but you can make that kind of profit in US. So I will tell you If you attend, then you will know how cheap is this. So this conference is targeted at HNI clients who have got sufficient capital to trade in US markets as well as Indian markets. See you in Dubai on September 28. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not registered, you can register. For more information, you can visit this link which is given on the screen as well as in the description. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.